the show. Wait for the show.
Right.
Before you leave. Dancing again. You're gonna dance.
Welcome to a gorgeous American restaurant. This is your fun celebratory joy, interrupting your meals and your conversation one more time. How's everybody doing tonight? Wow, we really hope you enjoyed an amazing day in beautiful Port of Bonaire. The menu is delightful every single evening, but in case there is any dish not as per satisfaction, please let your server know and they're gonna change it for you ASAP. Also, this lovely team with pride is holding their names on your table, and we would love to know how did you enjoy their service. And on your way back, if you can drop by the hostess and let them know how much you love your waiters. This lovely team, as every single night, plan a different treat for you. And again, they have the same request as last night. They want to dance with you. So, let's do it together. On your feet, DJ. Take it away. Come on.